there is a problem here. While creating a GL account, we could not able to select the field status group. Suppose when I'm creating a GL account as 100, 500, so with the liabilities, balance sheet, retained earnings account, control data. So I'm giving all the information and I'm trying to select the field status group under create bank interest. If I'm trying to select here, so no values are found. So this is the issue. So no values found in field status group. Okay. Now what would be the reason for this? The main reason, the field status variant configuration is a problem. There is a problem with field status variant configurations. So I will go to field status variant, OBC4. So our field status variant is BI96. If I select the field status variant BI96 and if I see the groups, there is no groups here. I told you at the time of creating field status variant. So I said clearly not to create. I said you to select 0001 and I said you to copy. But unfortunately, you have created. Okay. So what to do now? If I try to delete and if I try to create once again with the correct process, if I try to select and if I try to delete, it is not accepting because it is already assigned to our company code. So now what to do? First, you have to remove the assignment from your company code. How to do that? OBC5 is the transaction code. Go to your company code BI96. Remove the field status variant. If you're removing, then it will be independent and we can do whatever we want. Okay. So let me save this. I'll go back. Now OBC4 field status variant. I'll just select our variant. I'll try to delete it. Now it is deleted. I need to save. Just save. So now what we have to do, we have to follow the process correctly now. Don't create. If you are creating field status variant, it is very difficult task. SAP has given standard 0001. Select this standard 0001. Copy. Make it as BI96. Your field status variant. Okay. Click on, and once you press enter button, click on copy all. Okay. Save. Now go and see your groups. Select BI96. Go to the groups. See all groups are available. Now assign your field status variant to your company code. OBC5, BI96, BI96, save. Now I'll try to create a GL account. Now your issue is resolved. Create retained earnings account. It is a liability. Balance sheet. Control data. Line item display. 002. Okay, let me test it here. See, all your groups are coming correctly. Okay, this is the process we have to follow. So if you are creating directly the field status variant, that will be a problem. I hope it is clear. Thank you.